Okay, this was a photo that was shared by Elon Musk on his profile on X. Okay, if you look over here, there is a person who is watering a plant of globalism. Okay, and there are certain names written over globalism, meaning that entire world is a single unit. All right, there is no differences in nationhood. There is no differences in thinking and whatnot. Okay, as long as you think based on their parameters, then and only then uh, you are fit to think on your own. Otherwise, you are a pagan. Okay, so yes, here you can see the Western nations, they are watering the plant of globalism. Okay, and inevitably that plant will grow up and will result in their own deaths. Okay, so the point that I'm trying to make over here, if you look at what is happening in Europe, if you look at what is happening in United States, okay, they are facing what I like to call as cultural crisis. Okay, what they have essentially done is they have opened their borders to each and like anyone. Okay, you can see they have opened their borders to a lot of people. I see there is a debate that is to be had about whether or not you should open your borders to other people or not. Okay, that debate is to be had. But what about the illegal ones? What about the people who come to your country and try to overhaul your own culture? What about people who come to your country illegally? Okay, and they act as parasites, thriving and nurturing themselves on the resources that are meant to be the legit citizens of that country. Okay, let's keep that point besides you, but they don't respect your culture, they don't respect your traditions, they want to overthrow your own native traditions and establish their own. How do you deal with them? Okay, compassion and empathy is a two-way street. Okay, you cannot hope to keep treating somebody nicely in the hope that the other person will someday will have an epiphany or a change of mind and they will start treating you better from that point forwards. That is just not going to happen. Okay, so as you can see what is happening in UK, specifically UK, how was Tommy Robinson treated? Okay, it's I would say it's utterly disgraceful for UK to have treated Tommy Robinson in a way that they have treated. Okay, especially after Salwan Mumika died. Okay, Salwan Mumika, he was rather very outspoken and bold about his own expressions of his opinions. Okay, but if the West indeed, okay, is the beacon of liberalism, because that is what they do, they preach us liberalism. The moment somebody or something has happened in Bharat, they will start preaching to us about principles of liberalism, principles of democracy, as if their own democracies are functioning properly. Look at what they are doing to their own citizens. You cannot post on social media about illegal migrants in UK. If you make that post, the authorities will come to your house and even arrest you. All these examples are there on the social media platforms. You can see it. Okay. So the next time you see the Western nations preaching to you, think of these things. All they are doing is they are hypocrites. Okay, they will do whatever they want to do, but when we do the same thing, they will try to preach to us that, oh, no, democracy is in danger, oh, no, you have to be liberal. Okay, so and largely I would the point I want to end this point with, largely the people in our country, and especially the young ones, they have bought into this idea of being completely divorced from politics. Okay, no, politics is a dirty job. Only old people who have gray hairs and gray beards, they should be only politically active. We have to work and get a better future. What better future are we talking about when you are not politically united? Okay, if you are not politically united, there is no future to work for. Okay, so if you want a guarantee of Bharat as a nation surviving, okay, the people of Bharat, they have to unite politically. That is all that I am saying. Okay, because if you don't unite politically, there will not be the future that you are working for. Because you'll see largely the younger people, they'll say, no, I'll do my job, I'll earn money, I'll get a better life for myself and my family. All right, I'll get a better future. Politics is not for me. That is utter bullshit. Okay, if you don't unite politically, there will be no future for you to work. Okay, that's all that I'm saying.